We have a synthetic version of an advanced skin graft which can be used in wound and burn care. Our skin graft is synthetically derived with 3D nanofabricated electrospun fibers. It's a cost-effective, groundbreaking way to do tissue regeneration, helping heal our veterans, warfighters, and our civilians. A field medic who's out in an austere environment, the packaging itself has an extended shelf life compared to living organisms. The field medic can open it up, place it directly in contact with the wound bed. It's been phenomenal response from the medics on how easy this graft is to apply and to get into the wound bed and start doing its work. Our manufacturing allows us the capability to run 10 by 20 sheets down to a 16mm disc. The sizing completely sets us apart, being in a synthetic space in what was traditionally living cells. Tech Warrior Ops has been a phenomenal experience when it comes to what are some other opportunities for where our product can be handled. Having these medics here has been just so helpful in understanding, walking in their shoes, hearing them say, wow, we've never seen anything like this, and this seems so easy when we are in the middle of something so chaotic. This seems like such an easy application with great benefit. The other exceptional thing that I've taken from Tech Warrior is the live cadaver simulation. That was a phenomenal opportunity to have medics see how our product works on a live, freshly perfused cadaver. I worked a significant time as a hospice representative at the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center, and a lot of people, when they do hospice, they go on to the other end of life, which is healing, and so to be asked to be a representative for this product that has the ability to heal our warfighters who are so selfless, this is a great honor to not only be at Tech Warrior, to be working for RenovoDerm and helping heal our veterans, our warfighters, and our civilians.